Alright, let's go. It's good, beautiful people. You still tuned into nice entertainment right here. We're out here at Freedom Park, and we've got the Queen King himself, Ntando in the building, man. Tell the people who you are, what you're here for, and how is the vibe. I think that just sums it up.
That answers questions as they are. Well, I am here today to support Motherland with the beautiful concept they came up with. Yeah, man. As Ntando about, always as people we need to support one another. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here.
And tell us about the energy out there. You had the crowd raving, and yeah, it's about clothes, but you make sure that everybody stays warm, stays fuzzy up. Tell us about this experience out there. What did you receive?
Oh wow. You see, people in Freedom Park have so much energy. I believe this performance is not about how many people are there, but it's about the energy of the people. Now, I feel of the people. When there's energy with the people, I'm also there, you understand? But yeah. So I'm very happy and very proud to be one of the people who actually pulled up to actually raise this beautiful occasion. So yeah, man, don't know what to still here 20 years later.
20 odd years later.
Yeah, man.
Which brings us to our second question. Tell the people, future ambitions, future projects, what can people expect as we close up the year, heading into 2025?
As we head into 2025, I want to just like to say I've got an album coming out. I've got a new single out called My Nigga Nigga. No, my nigga nigga go. No, my nigga nigga go. No, my nigga nigga go. Yo. So yeah, man, I've got a new single out, and I'm working on my new album, and yeah, man, to be honest, so much pressure. These young boys are so talented right now. So now I have to.
But you're a veteran, and you have touched so many lives from the young to the old. So your experience goes to show that no matter what, 20 years on, we still support you, we still buy your music. Make sure you get his new album coming out soon. I'm a nigga out now. And yeah, man, tell the people where they can find you, where they can book you for summer, and new music, new socials. Tell them where they can get done.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I like that. So Ntando, you'll find me at Ntando_official. That goes from my Instagram, my Twitter account, my Facebook account, my every account actually. So it's just Ntando_official. That's where you find Ntando. And thank you guys really for the support. It's not because of Ntando, I don't know, and then you just slow man. I see Ntando, but Ntando,